We are at the booth of Vodafone. So why is it important for your company to be here?
For Vodafone, it's very important to be here, while we are also creating use cases for drones, around drones. And for us as connectivity partner for the Messe Düsseldorf and work with you together, it's a dream.
Which innovations have you brought with you?
I think the first innovation that we have here present comes out of the fact that Vodafone is connectivity partner for the XPONENTIAL Europe this time. And this is the campus network technology that we have live here in operation. It covers the whole where we are and also the outdoor areas so that all the companies can use a campus network for their own purpose. I would like to highlight the virtual drone control that we have built from the technology innovation team, where you can really fly a drone here virtually in the hall and experience a gaming kind of scenario and fly certain areas to train and later maybe control a real drone with a gesture control, not a control.